5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Holland, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Kingston, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Frankfort, Clarksburg, West Marion State Park, Andersonville, Austin, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 207 at US Route 22, State Route 138 at US Route 22 and Plano. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.